This is a 2011 Lincoln Town Car. This four-door sedan has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 4.6-liter V8. Its top features and packages include the premium sound package, power adjustable driver pedals, heated seats, 9 strategically placed speakers, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, a security system, privacy glass, traction control, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
White Bear Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3425 Highway 61 North in St. Paul.